and welcome to our course where you will learn about the overall framework that drives program management, the program lifecycle. In addition, we will share how strategic initiatives that drive programs are developed and summarize the critical program benefits planning process. My name is Daniel Yeomans, and I will be your instructor for this course. I have played various roles in my career, including project and program manager, product manager, Scrum Master, and Product Owner. I am a college professor, corporate trainer, and subject matter expert at SkillUp Technologies. The Program Manager oversees the entire life cycle of a program, from defining objectives to delivery and closure. They ensure projects are integrated and aligned with strategic goals by managing the program's business case, charter, and benefits. Their role includes planning, communication, quality control, and risk management to achieve successful outcomes. This course is part of the IBM Program Manager Professional Certificate and the Mastering Program Management Strategy to Certification program. It is suitable for anyone interested in learning about the program manager's role in planning and executing strategic projects. There are no prerequisites, though some project management experience is recommended for those seeking project or program management professional certifications. It is suitable for learners with or without a degree. This course consists of 4 modules. Module 1 will define and explore the program lifecycle in detail. The program lifecycle is a 3-phased process that manages a program from program definition through program delivery and closure. We will explain the various activities that occur in each phase and highlight the program manager's critical responsibilities. We will also share 3 checklists to ensure you understand the specific activities essential to the success of each phase. Module 2 will highlight the relationship between organizational strategy, program management, portfolio management, and operations management. We will then explain the key relationships required for success. The strategic initiative development process is illustrated to show how programs relate to portfolios and projects and implement strategic initiatives in a changing environment. We end with an in-depth overview of the benefits management process and key deliverables essential to success. Module 3 focuses on program integration management. It covers the program business case, program charter, and program management plan, including formulation, planning deliverable, and closure phase activities. Key topics include communications, quality management, scope and schedule management, and risk management, illustrating how these elements interconnect to ensure the successful delivery and alignment of the program with strategic objectives. In the final module, you'll work on a project and take an assessment to test your understanding of the key concepts. You will now hear from program management experts as they introduce themselves, their current roles, and their respective companies. Hello everyone, my name is Dan Yeomans. I also do course development as a subject matter expert for SkillUp Technologies.
Hi, my name is Kristen Paulson, and I'm the Director of Customer Success for SkillUp Technologies.
Hi, my name is Paul Party, and now I'm working for the SkillUp organization as a subject matter expertise working on content as well.
Hello, my name is Sasha Pass. I am a program manager at Shelter Insurance.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajeshri Murthy. I've been working in the project management role as a senior program manager for almost 15 years.
There's a lot to explore in this course. To take the most of your experience, please watch all the videos and read the materials, complete every quiz, complete all labs and activities, and participate in the discussion forum to connect with fellow learners. If you have any questions about the content, feel free to reach out in the discussion forum. Welcome aboard. We're excited to help you advance your program management career and stay ahead in this dynamic field.